Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy. Myself LS Nanda. Now in our previous year question series of JEE Main and JEE Advanced, this is the today's question. This is a nice problem involving the concepts of equations and complex numbers. It says let x1, x2, x3 and x4 be the solutions of the equation 4 into x to the power 4 plus 8x cube minus 17x square minus 12x plus 9 equal to 0, and inside the bracket 4 plus x1 square into inside another bracket 4 plus x2 square into inside another bracket 4 plus x3 square and into inside the last bracket 4 plus x4 square equal to 125m divided upon 16, then the value of m is. Now students, we know that any 4-degree polynomial with the roots as x1, x2, x3 and x4 can be written as k into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into x minus x3 into x minus x4. Why? Because x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3 and x minus x4, all of these terms will become its factors. And here k is a constant. Now students, the given polynomial is 4 into x to the power 4 plus 8x cube minus 17x square minus 12x plus 9. So I am putting both of these polynomials equal to each other. Now we know that whenever two polynomials are equal to each other, then the coefficients of their like terms are also equal. So I can say that the coefficient of x to the power 4 on the left hand side will be equal to the coefficient of x to the power 4 on the right hand side. So now if I make this comparison, then I will get the value of k equal to 4. So now I can write 4 into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into x minus x3 into x minus x4 equal to 4 into x to the power 4 plus 8x cube minus 17x square minus 12x plus 9. Now students, we have to create this particular expression. Now this particular expression contains terms of the form a square plus b square, because in the first bracket we are having 4 plus x1 square, then in the second bracket we are having 4 plus x2 square and so on. Now we know that a square plus b square can be factorized as a plus iota b into a minus iota b. That means I can say x1 square plus 4 can be written as x1 plus 2 iota into x1 minus 2 iota. Similarly, x2 square plus 4 can be written as x2 plus 2 iota into x2 minus 2 iota, and so on. Now to create this particular expression, what we can do? First of all, we will create an expression like x1 plus 2 iota into x2 plus 2 iota into x3 plus 2 iota into x4 plus 2 iota. And then we will create another expression of the form x1 minus 2 iota into x2 minus 2 iota into x3 minus 2 iota into x4 minus 2 iota, and then we will multiply both of these expressions to create this particular expression. Fine. So this is the idea which we are going to use. Now we move further. Now students, we know that the equation which we have created just now is valid for any complex number x. So now if I put x equal to 2 iota in this particular equation, then I am going to get 4 into 2 iota minus x1 into 2 iota minus x2 into 2 iota minus x3 into 2 iota minus x4 on the left hand side. And on the right hand side of the equation, I will get 4 into 2 iota whole power 4 plus 8 into 2 iota whole cube minus 17 into 2 iota whole square minus 12 into 2 iota plus 9. Now students, just evaluate these terms. So you will be getting 64 minus 64 iota plus 68 minus 24 iota plus 9, and this becomes 141 minus 88 iota, right? So I am calling this equation as equation number 1, right? Now students, if I put x equal to minus 2 iota in the original equation, then what do I get? I will be getting 4 into minus 2 iota minus x1 into minus 2 iota minus x2 into minus 2 iota minus x3 into minus 2 iota minus x4 on the left hand side, and on the right hand side I will be getting 4 into minus 2 iota whole power 4 plus 8 into minus 2 iota whole cube minus 17 into minus 2 iota whole square minus 12 into minus 2 iota plus 9. Now just calculate these terms and get the value. Now students, if on the left hand side of the equation I take out minus sign common from every bracket, then I will be getting 4 into 2 iota plus x1 into 2 iota plus x2 into 2 iota plus x3 into 2 iota plus x4, and on the right hand side I will be getting 64 plus 64 iota plus 68 plus 24 iota plus 9, and this comes out to be 141 plus 88 iota. Now I am calling this equation as equation number 2, right? Now students, multiply both the equations, and the reason for that I have already explained to you. Now when we multiply these two equations, on the left hand side we will be getting 16 into 4 iota square minus x1 square, and 4 iota square minus x1 square is how much? It is minus 4 minus x1 square into, in the next term we will be getting minus 4 minus x2 square, then minus 4 minus x3 square, then minus 4 minus x4 square, right? And on the right hand side we will be getting 141 square minus 88 square into iota square. Now students, we move further. Now students, on the left hand side of the equation, just take out minus sign common from every bracket. So you will be getting 16 into, inside the first bracket 4 plus x1 square into, inside the second bracket 4 plus x2 square into, inside the third bracket 4 plus x3 square, and into, inside the fourth bracket 4 plus x4 square, and this value is equal to 141 square plus 88 square. This comes as 19881 plus 7744, and this finally becomes 27,625. So now I can write 4 plus x1 square into 4 plus x2 square into 4 plus x3 square into 4 plus x4 square equal to 27,625 divided upon 16, and this value is given equal to 125 m upon 16, right? So that means from here we get the value of m equal to 27,625 divided upon 125, and this comes as 221. So students, this is the correct answer of the question. Now next question I will be posting in tomorrow's video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching my videos and enhance your knowledge of mathematics. Thanks.